At QB Dent Free, we specialise in paintless dent repairs with a team of highly skilled technicians using state-of-the-art techniques. We'll get your vehicle looking good as new again at the fraction of the cost and time. We'll help retain the original factory paint, work on all makes and models, and we can also help you deal with insurance for claim-related repairs. Trade prices available. Located just 8 minutes off the Ferntree Gully Eastlink exit. Drop in and see us at Factory 4, 34 Rushdale Street, Knoxfield.